In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Gmail spam and junk folder. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find messages that Gmail filtered out, how to rescue anything important, and how to stay on top of it so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening a web browser and signing into your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll land on your inbox. This is where most messages show up, but some emails are automatically routed elsewhere if Gmail thinks they might be unwanted or unsafe. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see your main folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. If you don't immediately see the spam folder listed, scroll down and click the option labeled More. This expands the full list of folders and categories so you can access everything Gmail keeps organized behind the scenes. In the expanded list, click Spam. This is the folder where Gmail places emails it has identified as spam or junk. You might notice a number next to it indicating how many messages are inside. Don't worry if you haven't checked this in a while. Gmail keeps it separate so your main inbox stays clean. Now, review the messages in the spam folder, scan through the subject lines and senders, and open anything that looks like it might be legitimate. Take your time here. Sometimes real messages like password reset links or confirmations you were expecting can end up in spam by mistake. As you review, be cautious with anything you don't recognize. Avoid clicking links or downloading attachments unless you're confident the message is genuine. Look for signs of legitimacy, like a sender you know, and clear, personalized information. If you find an email that shouldn't be in spam, select it by checking the box next to the message.